What's up everyone? If you're getting a weird error on GeForce, well then you're in luck because in this video we're gonna show you how to fix it. So first, simply restart all NVIDIA services. To do this, simply press Windows plus R at the same time, then type in services.msc. Next, you're then gonna have to restart anything starting with NVIDIA. So this little trick often fixes the problem instantly. And another thing you can try is simply clearing the app cache by opening the File Explorer, then going to percentage, local app data, percentage. And once you do this, you can then open the NVIDIA folder and delete the GeForce Experience cache files. So if it's still not working, simply try updating or installing your graphics driver with a clean install. So once that's done, GeForce Experience should launch normally without any errors. And that's really it. So I really hope you found this insightful, and if you did, make sure to leave a like and of course subscribe. Then we'll see you on the next one.